Lockheed Martin is charting a new course for its F-35 Lightning II stealth fighter, pushing toward a revolutionary pilot-optional configuration within the next 2 to 3 years. This ambitious upgrade blends artificial intelligence, advanced stealth technologies, and next-generation electronic warfare systems, transforming the F-35 into a bridge between 5th and 6th generation air combat capabilities without disrupting current production lines. Exclusive insights from defense analysts indicate that the pilot-optional concept centers on integrating high-level autonomous flight controls directly into the F-35's architecture. Drawing on secretive research from Project Hydra and DARPA's Air Combat Evolution program, the new AI systems are being developed to handle every stage of a mission independently, even in highly contested environments. Through encrypted data links and adaptive decision-making algorithms, the aircraft could coordinate seamlessly with drone wingmen, avoid incoming threats, and strike targets at machine speed, all without human intervention in the cockpit. In its manned role, the F-35 would still rely on the superior decision-making skills of a pilot for dynamic, unpredictable combat situations, rules of engagement, and real-time tactical choices. The pilot could also take command of accompanying unmanned aircraft, serving as an in-air mission coordinator during complex operations. When flown autonomously, the F-35 could be sent deep into hostile airspace for high-risk strikes, suppression of enemy air defenses, or electronic warfare missions without endangering a crew member. Operating without a pilot also frees internal space for extra fuel or specialized payloads, extending range and mission versatility. The upcoming Block 4 Plus upgrade package will lay the groundwork for these capabilities. This enhancement introduces a powerful Tech Refresh 3 processor, modular AI frameworks, reprogrammable electronic warfare tools, and improved radar-absorbing metamaterial coatings designed to boost stealth performance across a wider spectrum. Lockheed Martin envisions the AI-enabled F-35 as a vital node in future networked warfare. Linked to next-generation air dominance platforms and unmanned systems like the XQ-58A Valkyrie and MQ-28 Ghost Bat, the fighter would deliver coordinated multi-domain attacks via the Joint All-Domain Command and Control (JADC2) framework, connecting air, sea, land, and cyber battle networks. Initial semi-autonomous flight tests are expected by late 2026, with further evaluations beginning in 2027 under the U.S. Air Force Life Cycle Management Center. While there is no formal order yet for uncrewed F-35s, military strategists see this capability as essential for future conflict scenarios where human survivability is in question or aircraft losses must be minimized. This bold transformation positions the F-35 not only as the backbone of U.S. air power today but as a flexible, forward-adaptable combat platform prepared to meet the challenges of 21st-century warfare.